Hey, welcome to lesson number 4. On this lesson, we're going to be a little skin smoothing, and it's actually pretty easy to make a skin smoothing on Photoshop. You can see that her skin is a beautiful skin, but you can see because well, it's natural for everyone to have some wrinkles and some imperfections on our skin. So we want to make sure that on the final image we don't have these imperfections, but have a smooth skin as smooth as it can be. So to do that, we're going to duplicate this layer. We have the main layer. Duplicate this. You can call it duplicate if you want, or let's call it smooth skin. And now selecting this layer, we're going to image adjustments and select invert, or just press Ctrl and I. Now you have this creepy looking image, and you have to, with the smooth skin selected, go to filter, other, and select this filter called high pass, which is an excellent filter. It's very useful for many things. Now you can play with the radius of the pixels. You can put something like this, like 3 or something, but on this case we want to smooth the skin, so we're going to use, let's set it to 80 pixels and press OK. You should have something like this. Don't worry, it won't stay like this. Okay, now that you have this smooth skin layer like this, go to the blending modes and select overlay. And now you can see how it smooths everything. Of course, it looks really unrealistic now, so we want to tone down this layer a bit. Somewhere around 65%. You can see how it smooths the skin a lot. It disguises the freckles a little. It smooths everything. You can see the wrinkles on here anymore. You can see that now that the skin is really smooth. You can go all the way to 100, but it won't look realistic. You have to play with the opacity to 65 or something, and this way it looks very smooth, but it looks realistic. And now we want to make a mask so that the effect that we just created doesn't affect the lips or the eyes or this part of the neck. So we have to create a mask, selecting this button like right here, add layer mask. Now with the mask selected, we're going to erase some parts of this mask. Grab the eraser layer, the eraser tool, and with the foreground color on black, just erase this part of the lips. You can see how the lips are getting sharper now, and that's exactly what we're going to do. The nostrils too. The eyes, you can also erase that part. So that the eyes look sharper and the skin remains as it was. Now you can see how the skin is really smooth, but the eyes and the mouth stays sharp. And that's it. With just a few steps, we have a much smoother skin. You can see that it looks way better now. So now on the lesson number 5, we're going to be creating a technique really nice that it's called dodge and burn. See you in the next one.